and welcome back guys on my channel. As you already know, my third gen is in a body shop by now, waiting to get a new color. I was doing bits and bobs on my T5 in the meantime. However, I still got plenty to do on a Chevy suspension. I still need to order a bunch of parts. So today I'm gonna clean everything out fully. I mean the suspension wise, strip some of them further apart, order whatever needs to be ordered, and then from there I'm gonna put a epoxy primer on it and some color as well. So yeah, stay with me. 3 weeks. Took me exactly 3 weeks to go through everything. There has been a delay waiting for the parts. I was a bit under the weather in the meantime. So yeah, took me 3 weeks in total to go through the rear axle, brakes, bits of a suspension and all of that, but it's done now. Back axle, as you can see, the drum brakes, every single spring is brand new, as well as the shoes and all of that. Obviously the drive shaft, it's used one, but the one that was here installed before. Paint wise, I know I said at the beginning I'm gonna cover everything in epoxy, but it turns out that epoxy is not really that great for the suspension bits, so this has been primed with a rust preventing paint, and then on the top of that with a polyurethane, which is supposed to be very durable, and it not supposed to get chipped so easily. Differential wise, there was nothing wrong with it. The oil itself wasn't that great, but obviously it's gonna get a new oil anyways. I've changed the seal over here, as I mentioned before, and then we've got all of the brake pipes and brackets and stuff like that. Everything is brand new, as well as the e-brake cables. Calipers, again, everything is new, including pistons, sleeves, mounting brackets, mounting bolts, sorry, covered in gold, as I think it will go nicely with the engine and the gold Z28 IROC accent in general. With the car not being here, there was not much crazy going on around, but I'm hoping next week or the week after, I think I'm gonna take you over to the body shop so we can both see how the car is coming up. Me personally, I'm getting more and more excited with every week. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. My name is David, and I will see you soon.